bring you up. Yeah, come on.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment, Ask Me, and I'll try to answer. The information of this video are from Google search. Our topic today is how to change payment address in your Adsense account. This question is from Palms Versatile TV. Palms, I hope this video will help your inquiries. This is a question of Palms Versatile TV, and I will have another answer in my next video. I hope this will help. Here are the steps to change your payment address in your Adsense account. Number 1, sign into your Adsense account. Number 2, click Payments. Number 3, in Settings section, click Manage Settings. Number 4, in the Payment Profile section, click Edit icon next to name and address. Number 5, update your payment address in the address fields. Number 6, click Save. This is where I got my reference of this video, so I search it from Google. Note, unfortunately, it's not possible to change the country of your payment address in Adsense. If you've moved to a new country or territory, you'll need to cancel your existing Adsense account and create new Adsense account. If your problem about Adsense is not yet solved, please contact Google Support Team. Just type Google Support Team in Google search and this will pop up. So as you can see, there is a question, how can we help? So you can type your inquiries there. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.
Bring you up.